So what is CRYPTEX? CRYPTEX is a community-based project. Listen carefully. It's a community-based project. Its operation is completely hidden from the public. There is no CEO, there is no company, there's no business. It's a community base, okay? CRYPTEX utilizes DeFi staking as its method of generating profits. The profit that is shared with its members comes from a DeFi staking contract, all right? And CRYPTEX secures good partnership with banks, insurance companies, and wallet holders or smart contracts, all right? And it works uniformly to provide mutual benefit to all these parties involved in the project. Now, CRYPTEX provide complete anonymity for all these parties. This is a security measure to ensure that this platform continues to operate for a long term. This project has been in existence since 2016 and accompanied with a lot of proof of payment of withdrawal from a very happy members. Currently, we've got over 220,000 holders worldwide. The number here needs to be updated. The latest number I got, 220,000 members worldwide benefiting from this project. Now, what are the pillars? The pillars of CRYPTEX, the players involved. We have the DeFi contract, the staking contract. We have the participants, the insurance company, and the banks. Each of these players have specific role. They have specific role to play in the project, right? Before we proceed, let's explain what DeFi staking is. So DeFi staking is basically a process of what? Locking up your crypto asset in a smart contract in exchange for interest, right? Good. Now, for a very long-term investors, this can be very beneficial, all right? Because it's a stable income that comes for a long term. This protects the blockchain network and ensures its efficiency, all right? DeFi staking is considered as a modern method of saving. However, it is much more lucrative than the savings we do in the corporate world. CRYPTEX basically pays between 0.1 to 0.3% compound interest on daily basis, right? From the staking pool. What then is the product that is issued out? Because every project has a product to offer or a service. The product in this context, it is the DeFi hybrid contract. That is a product, all right? The DeFi contract with the benefit attached is a product. That is what is being marketed. Good. Now, this is a contractual agreement between the wallet, the insurance company, and the banks. And in that document, in that particular document, is all the terms and conditions embedded, including profit, bonuses, and interest, right? The contract terms, is between a period of 3, 5, and 7 years. Currently, we have 10 years pending to be open. And in that contract is a provision of money or capital in US dollars by the banks, which is completely insured by the insurance company against total loss and credit default. Each contract has a non-retrievable or refundable fee of 100 USD. Remember, this 100 USD is not an investment. It is a fee you pay for each of the contract you can secure. And each wallet, each participant can have up to 20 maximum. That is the maximum you can have, up to 20, all right? And for each of these contracts, is processed independently. And so therefore, you will pay for each $100 processing fee. It's a processing fee, all right? Good. And this $100 is used by the platform for distribution of commission and for the maintenance of the platform. That is the use of the 100 USD or the fee that you pay. It's not an investment. Very important. The wallet holder or you, the participant. So with only 100 USD handling fee, you can secure that contract of 3 years, 5 years, or 7 years term. All right. And you are giving, in the contract, you are giving a loan of $30,240 for 3 years, or $43,200 for 5 years, or $43,200 for 7 years. All right. For the 3 years contract, you are entitled to $35,000. All right. And for the 5 years contract, you are entitled to what? $471,000 per contract. So if you want more, you can calculate, you can do the mathematics. If you are getting 35,000 for each 3 years contract, if you have 20, you can multiply 20 by 35. It all depends on what you want to do with this project in the next 3 years, how you want to change your life with this project in the next 3 years. That will determine the number of contracts you want to go for. All right. The insurance company actually insures the wallet for total loss and credit default. All right. It ensures that the interest is collected automatically from the profit that is generated daily. All right. Good. Now, this insurance company also receives premium of up to $300 every month from the profit that the loan generates from the platform. So there is no default here. We trust the smart contract more than the individual human beings, where there is a high risk of people stealing the money or people defaulting in payment. The bank. So the bank provides the money, the capital, okay, in US dollars. Remember, CRYPTEX is the only platform so far that gives the starting capital to its members to begin this project. All right. And the bank receives annual interest for giving out that loan, receive annual interest between a percentage of 5.5 up to 6%, every year. Good. Now, most people get to ask this question: can I withdraw my money before the contract, before the end of the term or the end of term of contract? Absolutely no, you cannot withdraw. You have to wait till you reach the end of it. Why? Because the money that you are promised, the 35,000 and the 471,000, actually comes from the compound interest. Okay, the compounding effect. That is where it is coming from. So if you withdraw before that time, you will not meet that expectation. What does this mean for you? This means a huge opportunity for powerful income for you and your entire generation. If you look at the 5 years contract in summary, it is a BTC blockchain base. Okay, the capital is 43,200. The term is 60 months. 60, that is for 5 years. The insurance fee, the money that insurance company collects every single month for insuring this loan up to $108,000 is $300 per month. The platform itself charges a handling fee of $30 every month for maintenance. Okay, the loan interest, the interest the bank takes on this particular one is 5.5 per year. Now you can see the rest. All right, so from the processing fee of 100 USD, you can secure this contract and it begin to work for you averagely 0.1 to 3% every single day. For the 3 years contract, the starting balance given to you is 30,240 USD, and the term of contract is 36 months. The insurance fee is 210 USD, right? The platform fee is $30, and the interest the bank takes is 6.75 per annum. All right, good. And the handling fee, from you is $100. Now we have a couple of tables here. This is a calculation to prove to you that it is possible to generate that amount at the end of the contract. We'll prove it to you using Google compound interest calculator. You can see that, but this is already done for you. You can see it from these slides, and it tells you that it is possible to get that amount at the end of the contract after all fees, have been collected automatically from the profit. Now, in this particular diagram, what we have here is a proof of withdrawal from a member. And this diagram indicates, if you can check the date, this is around somewhere 2022, March 2022. The person has taken $96,700. This is just one. And we have more here. And there are more to confirm that people have actually completed their contracts and they have received money from the platform without any glitch, all right? Without any glitch. So putting everything together, the customer wallet, you the wallet holder, all right? You have a wallet, and that wallet can contain up to 20 maximum contracts. Each contract is costing you $100 USD, all right? $100 USD. So if you want to have up to 20, it means you pay $2,000 US, all right? Currently, there is a promotion that can give you 15 contracts for just $1,000. So you can imagine, if you come in with 2,000, you are getting 30 contracts for just $2,000, and that is a lot of money for you at the end of the 3 years. Okay, so we proceed. So each contract gives you 0.1 to 0.3% daily. I've mentioned that. And for 3 years, you have $35,000 to take home. For 5 years, you have $471,000 to take home. You are not limited to one contract. Up to 20 is allowed. No multiple account is allowed. Please, no multiple accounts. All right. Yes. Inside that one account, you can have multiple contracts, but not multiple accounts. Very important. And this is the special promotion that is available currently. You can get 15 contracts for the price of 10. All right. Very important. You can take advantage of this and make a lot of income. Now, so this is basically the offer from CRYPTEX for passive investors. Those who don't want to do anything, you just want to get money passively from the system. This is for you. All right. For 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and we also have 10 years pending. Now, let me show you quickly for those who love the concept and they want to share this opportunity with other people, the benefit that you can derive from it. Let me show that to you quickly. Then we look at some few things and then we can open the floor for interaction. Thank you for your attention. Give me some few minutes. Let me get it for you quickly. Good. So we come to what we call the friendship bonus, or what we call commission that is given out by CRYPTEX to its members. Remember, from the previous presentation, I mentioned that the $100 USD you pay, the fee is used for distribution of commission as well as system operation. All right. There are 3 basic income available to those who want to market this product. We have the profit sharing, and then we have direct commission and leadership commission. So we start with the profit sharing. Here you can see, let me increase, good. So right here, the profit sharing, this is the profit that you get from all your team, all the people that you are referring to this project as they come on board and secure 1 or 2 contracts, okay? Every day that contract is generating some profit for them. So if you are the one who so loved them and brought them on board, the system is going to recognize that effort of yours and reward you every day, okay? On daily basis, from your level 1, you'll be earning 8%. So for instance, if your downline makes $80 a day, you will make 8% of that every single day. And you can have that from your first level to your 20th level. From level 1 to what? 20. Guys, this is crazy. From level 1 to level 20. All right. Then we have the direct commission. The direct commission. The direct commission is paid from level 1 to level 10. All right. So any person that you refer to CRYPTEX directly in your first line, the system recognizes that effort and reward you 30% of that handling fee. That 100 USD, you are going to take $30 out of that. And from your second level, you get 5%, 5%, 5%. This is already $45 out of the 100. Then from your fifth level, you get 4%, 4%. And you get from your seventh level, 3, 3, 3 up to 10. If you put all these together, it's about 65% out of the 100 USD that you pay as a fee. All right, good. And out of these also, leaders, those who are qualified to be called leaders in CRYPTEX are those people who have signed up at least 100 people in their first line, and the total volume of contract in their team is up to 1,000. If you do that, you are qualified to be a leader, and the system rewards you every month 5% of each sign up in your team up to infinity. There is no limit to that. And we have people who are benefiting from this position every month. All right. So that 5% also comes from that, how do you call it? 100 USD. All right. And we have super leaders who also receive commission from the system. So you can see clearly that the 100 USD is not going anywhere. It is being used for commission distribution and for system maintenance. And here is a diagram. There is a diagram here. All right. This diagram shows somebody's account. This guy has been able to build a good team in CRYPTEX. And he started this project April 2022. From his own staking, he has made about 498,000. But from the referral alone, he's made over $1 million in commission. That is what I want you to see, that the potential here is limitless. What you can earn, there is no limit to it. If you begin to share this opportunity with almost zero risks, right? Good. So this is the commission system, of CRYPTEX. I'll stop here and then we invite question, or let me show you this last part and then we call it off for today. So
Hey, Wisdom, you are muted. Please unmute.
Dr.
Wisdom, you have to unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. You are muted. Das will nicht entscheiden.
Ich versuch's, ne? Macht sich an.
Mr. Wisdom, you are muted. Mr.
hello?
Wisdom?
Jetzt.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Okay, good.
Yes.
All right. Please, where have you heard me up to?
So.
The last slide?
Yeah, last slide.
All right, good. So I'm talking about this particular one. This is the last one. This is the last one. This one here, right here. this slide is showing us that CRYPTEX can never be a scam project. It can never be a scam because for every $100 sign up onto the system, CRYPTEX pays out in commission $140. So there is more money coming out of the system than money going into the system. This can never be a scam project. And in addition to that, okay, CRYPTEX limits deposit. It is only CRYPTEX that caps deposits. There is no scam project that will not permit you to deposit up to 1 million, 10,000 into their platforms. But in CRYPTEX, even if you hold 5,000, you can't put it here. That tells you the nature or the project, the kind of project you are associating yourself with. Thank you so much. Let's have the floor for questioning and answering. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Dr. Wisdom, for this presentation. The Zoom will be recorded, so don't worry, everybody. We will share the Zoom call. We will share the recording later. So if there are any questions now, please ask now, and we will try to answer everything.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I just want to know how the 7 years also works. Has somebody received anything from the platform ever since for the 7-year contract? Thank you.
There's no 7-year contract expired yet. There's no 7-year contract expired yet because the project is not old enough for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any more questions? You're welcome.
Yeah, Dan, you can write.
Hey, can you hear
I have
me?
a question.
Yes, please.
Okay, so as the questions are coming, I quickly want to share something as the question can go on. Somebody has just asked me, reminded me of something. Let me share something with you as you ask your questions.
Yeah, I have a question here. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not.
Yes, of course.
Okay, tailgating on that 7-year contract, has it been calculated what the payout would be on a 7-year contract?
Yeah, it's very easy to calculate. You just take your 42,000, so your money you get in your staking contract, and then you just compound daily 0.1 to 0.3%.
Okay, that'd be compounding for a spell to figure that one.
Say again?
That would be compounding for a long time to figure out what that total would be then.
Right. But there are websites in the internet, or you can Google it, compounding calculator, and you can put it in there, and then you have the number in a minute.
Okay, well, I appreciate that. I'll see if I can find that. Kind of curious.
It will be sure in the millions.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, that's why I have it.
Yeah.
Hey, can anybody hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
Perfect. So yeah, enjoying the what's it called, the presentation. 2 quick questions, right? So hello?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I understand that you're paid twice in this contract, right? You're paid by the staking, obviously, you know, for the compounding interest, and you're also paid via commission. So obviously you get like a bounce back from the commission when someone signs up. Do you, as a leader, I think I might have been a little bit unclear, but do you as a leader have any percentage of the overall contract value come the end of the terms? So let's say I sign up 100 people and each of those people stay for the 3 years. Do you get any percentage commission based off of their sign up or based off of their earnings?
Yes, of course. As you explained, we have 2 commission types. We have the direct commission,
Okay.
and we have the ongoing commission, 20 levels deep, which is paid on each of your referrals, 20 levels deep, but paid at the end of contract of your customers.
Okay, perfect. And one more question, so I'll just, you know, open up the floor. There is, he said it's unlimited signups and whatnot, right? So do I benefit from, let's say I sign up my dad and I sign up my uncle and I sign up my mom, just for example, and they sign up all of their work colleagues, they get 30 people sign up. You know, this may have been answered, but do I again see a little bit of a bounce back from that? Is it almost kind of like a little bit of that kind of structure as well?
You can do that. Plus, but you cannot sign up your family underneath each other. You have to sign them up all with your ref link. You cannot put your brother under you and then your mother under your brother and create commission this way, but you can use your referral link to sign up all your family in one line. This is no problem at all.
Perfect. And just to be clear, one more question, right? So let's say we sign up my whole family, right? And then my family decides that they each want to sign up a couple work colleagues. Are those work colleagues factored into my commission or into my kind of leadership bonus? Is that how it works?
Yes, of course. You get direct commission for 5 and 7 year contracts, 3 levels deep, and for 3 year contracts, 10 levels deep.
Okay, perfect. Makes sense. Thank you very much.
And what I have to mention this, there's a leadership program. If you have 100 direct with each contract, with minimum 1 contract each, please mute yourself. There's a leadership program. If you have 100 direct people with 1 contract each, you are considered a leader. And if you have 1,000 contracts in your entire team, you get $5,000 bonus. And then from this day on, $5 for each contract in your team, unlimited levels, infinite.
Right, makes sense. Okay, perfect. Thanks very much for answering my questions.
Hello, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Okay. Now, in terms of referrals, somebody told me about this program. However, when I went to the website, I really could not find any information on it. So how do I promote it to others?
You get any promotional material, the presentation, whatever you need from your upline or from us.
Okay, so I get it from...
First is always to go to your upline and ask for help, because this is the person who brought you to the business and benefits from you the most. So the next step, if the upline cannot help you, you go to their upline or you come to us. You go to Dr. Visto. I don't know, where are you? Are you in Africa or where are you?
I'm in the US.
Oh, US. So it's Lori, right?
No, it's Marina.
Yeah, but Lori is the leader there. So
oh, okay. Lori's the leader in the US, you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
So you can always go to Lori, and if Lori can't help you, but I doubt that, then you can come to us. That's no problem. We provide the presentation you have just seen. You can have from us in PowerPoint or also in PDF, and many other marketing materials. Lori created quite a bunch of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, I could add to that too.
Hello, everyone.
I could add to that answer.
Am I here?
Yes, please.
You hear me now?
Yes.
This is Nathan from Africa.
Yes.
In Africa, we have a question that has been boiling in our heads. If everybody is collecting 100, then how is the company able to generate that all income that it pays people?
First of all, it's not a company, it's a community. And the $100 is just a handling fee.
Yes.
When you pay this $100, this money is gone. It's gone.
Yes.
It's gone. And the bank provides a DeFi staking loan.
Yes.
And this loan creates daily staking rewards, and this is how the money is created.
Okay.
Yes, brother. How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, hello, we can. I don't know, Wisdom or Leader Mario, if you can just mute everybody. There's so much noise on the platform.
Yes, we mute everybody and we take one by one.
So, jetzt kann sprechen Windsor und PW Diego.
Und wir?
Wir auch.
So,
Abeni hat die Hand gehoben.
okay,
Nimm Abeni dran, wir machen das nochmal alle stumm schalten.
Nimm Abeni dran.
Und ich sage jetzt mal, die dürfen sich nicht selber.
Ja, und jetzt
So, jetzt haben wir Abeni. Jetzt sag bitte Ton einschalten zu Abeni.
Abeni, please unmute yourself. Abeni, unmute yourself. Yes, hello, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Abeni, and I'm calling from the UK, Manchester, precisely. I've got two questions. One is similar to the last caller's question. Now, the $100, is that the minimum one is meant to pay to be part of this program? And my second question is this some kind of residual benefit where you get registered, then you bring people in, as long as the number of people you bring in keep increasing, so your residual earnings keep increasing as well. It doesn't have a limit. Does it have a limit to that? That's my second question, please. Thank you.
Okay, every DeFi staking contract has a $100 fee. You can start with one contract, you can have up to 20, and you can have up to 2 promo packages. So altogether you can have 50 contracts. This is the first thing. It is you can just be a customer, or you can refer other people. And if you refer other people, you receive ongoing commission paid at the end of the contracts, and you receive a direct commission immediately.
Okay, thank you very much.
Das war Abeni. Diego, Dego,
Dego, go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
I can speak.
Dego, you can speak. Unmute yourself, please, Dego.
Nee, ist oben.
Er ist nicht unmuted.
So. Dego, nochmal. Jetzt. Nee, er macht wieder auf und zu. Okay, Dego. Los. Genau. Sagst du ihm
Lakakas? Lakakas? Please speak. Yes, hello, Lakakas.
Thank you for the opportunity. I want
Yes.
to ask this question. Assuming I have a 5 years contract running, and I referred somebody who bought the 3 years contract, at what point do I get the partner sharing bonus on his contract? Is it when his contract expires or when my 5 years expires?
When his contract expires.
When his contract expires.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Steve Mike oder Mick.
Steve Mike, please unmute yourself. Mr. Steve Mike.
Hello.
Ja.
Emmanuel.
Yeah, Emmanuel. Sorry.
Hello, Emmanuel.
Yes, a question again.
Yes.
Since this came, I brought some people on board.
Yes.
But those people I brought on board sent me some kind of scam check thing, and it's a kind of confusing thing to me. If you can clear this doubt for me, for my mind. Thank you.
Yeah, this is, about every project in the market, any insurance company, every bank, and every company, you find some scam check shit. And this is really not important for us because it's there are only 1 or 2 things in the internet. This project is 7 years old, and if they would not pay each and every contract the right way, the internet would have been full with negativity, and there's nothing. And this scam check guy, I don't know who he think he is. You know, this guy is a nobody. We not care at all. And many of the things he write there are incorrect. So yeah, we not care. You cannot avoid that people typing bullshit in the internet. You cannot avoid that. So let them type. That's it.
Steve Mick.
Yeah, Steve Mick. Mr. Steve Mick.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a wonderful pleasure being a part of this wonderful program. Today is my first time to hear about this opportunity. I'm greatly honored and exceedingly happy about this because the project seems to be a very nice one. But I have to be specific with my question right now.
Yeah.
In Africa, we've had a lot of challenges with people who have come and taken people's assets, money collected, and they have indeed left them crying and crying.
Everywhere, everywhere,
yes,
not only
many people would love to participate in a project like this. What is the assurance that really this time round there is a difference? People are not going to cry anymore, because for sure we have a lot of people who have been so much scammed in so many projects. What is the difference between this CRYPTEX and in comparison with projects that have really killed projects like this in other parts of the world?
Yeah, let me answer
Yes.
this. It's very clear. It's very clear. First of all, there is much more money paid out immediately than what is coming in. You pay a $100 handling fee for your DeFi staking contract, and immediately CRYPTEX pays out in Bitcoin many $100s. No scam can sustain this. No scam. The second thing is, you are very, very limited how much capital you can use for CRYPTEX, because you can have a maximum of 50 contracts. You can have, I explain it again, 2 times our promo package. This is 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. And then you can have 20 additional contracts, is 2,000 again, is 4,000. CRYPTEX is not taking more than 4,000 from you. If you come with 40,000, thank you, but not with us. 2 very, very clear facts which undermine it can never be a scam.
So, jetzt kannst du ja Folgendes, jetzt machst du das mal ein paar Fragen. Warte mal, wir machen das mal. Sag's mal Bescheid, wir beantworten erstmal ein paar Fragen, die hier geschrieben sind.
Okay, we have some questions in the chat.
Da, geht los, hier. Da.
Or is it paid at the end? Is the commission withdrawable or is it paid out at the end of the contract? I said this already. We have 2 types of commission. We have the direct commission, which is immediately withdrawable and which is much more than the $100 over all levels. And then we have an ongoing commission, 20 levels deep, which pays out at the end of your customer's contract.
Next.
There is no clarity how this community makes money. Sorry, it's very clear. Please explain, in case I am not building team yet, when do I withdraw? At the end of contract. What is the product of this business opportunity? Sorry, it seems you didn't listen. I think you didn't listen.
So, der sagt Hallo, der sagt Have.
I say it again. Normally, I would really not repeat myself, really. But this time I do it 1 time. This is a DeFi staking contract business. You pay a $100 handling fee. For this, you get many $1,000s in your staking account. This money is locked in for 3, 5, or 7 years, and you withdraw at the end of the contract. Okay? All is visible in our presentation, which you can request at any time from us.
So, jetzt machen wir an nur so Krypto da hier. Hier, guck.
Antoinette, Nurse Crypto, please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Hello.
Hey, how you going?
Hey, great. Where are you from?
I'm from Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, near Miami.
Oh my God, the Sunshine State. Okay. Okay, what I can do for you? Answer
I just want to just a quick I think I heard right, but I just want to clarify. If you buy 20 contracts, you get 10 more free.
If you buy the promo package, you get 5 more free. A promo package consists of 15 contracts, but you pay only 1,000. The promo package costs $1,000 and contains 15 3-year contracts, and you can have 2 of them in your wallet.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Flora, unmute yourself, please.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to talk here. I'm talking from Africa. I'm talking from South Africa.
Oh,
This
greetings
is my,
to South Africa. Amazing.
thank you. This is my first time actually to attend this Zoom. I am invited by Dorcas, and thank you very much to be with you guys. It sounds very great, though I joined the Zoom very late. And the only question that I have, not the only, I would like to know how long is this project? I know maybe you mentioned that it's why I'm mentioning that I came late.
Yeah, it's 7 years old. 7 years old. Flora, you can request the recording of this Zoom meeting in our WhatsApp groups. Yeah, are you in a WhatsApp group? Are you a member of WhatsApp group?
No, I'm not in any of the WhatsApp group. Today it was my first time to hear about this.
Oh, please ask your upline. Please ask your African upline who brought you to this business, and maybe your upline can ask his upline. We have 3 or 4 different African WhatsApp groups. Please join one of the groups, and there you get all the infos what you need, and also the webinar recordings.
Okay, I do have the second question. My second question is, now that you talk about the 7 years, I understand there are some people who have taken 3 years contract, 5 years contract. In this Zoom that we have right now, are there people who can testify to say we already have received our money at the end of the contract? That is my second question.
No, unfortunately we have not, because we are all new here, and our team, our super leader team, is with CRYPTEX since April last year. So it's not possible that anybody got a cash out, but our super leader knows people in person who got cashed out, and also have screenshots and proofs of cash outs. You also see proof of payment in the 100,000 and millions in the slides, in the webinar slides, which you can request in the Telegram group, in the WhatsApp group, sorry.
Okay, meaning it is only this team which is new in the company, not that the company is new. Thank you.
Yes, and it's not a company, it's a community. Very important. There's no CEO and there's no company address. It's all anonymous.
Sag doch mal bitte dem Dr. Wisdom, soll doch mal seine Erkenntnisse preisgeben bezüglich der Blockchain.
Oh, Dr. Wisdom, kannst du mal unmuten?
Ist.
Dr. Wisdom,
Okay.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Could you please tell our people on the call, I mean, we have 130 people on the call, your very, very important discovery on the blockchain?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let me share the screen. A lot of people are still doubting. They don't know whether this money is internet money. You know, and some people have, you know, gone into Forex. And so they are thinking this is a demo kind of thing, and it's not real money. In my quest to finding out, to know more about this project, I happened to do a withdrawal from the platform on the 4th of July. So some small money, and I went in and copied the hash. And then I went to Block Explorer to check and see if these transactions are actually happening on the Bitcoin network as explained by the system. So just wait patiently and see the outcome, okay? I want to show you what I got from that search. Okay, let me go out of this quickly. So let me check Block. All right. Okay, so I want to search. I've copied the hash from my Binance, and I want to look for the transaction on the blockchain. If it's a true transaction, it must be recorded on the block. So when I went, this is the hash here, right here. You can see it right here. This is it. So I click on this to get the details. I click on this one also. Okay, so it's opening up. So you see that it's telling me that this particular transaction was broadcasted on 4th, you see, 4th July 2023. So that's the date, the exact date, all right? And this is the current value of that amount, right? And this money has been paid into my account, and at that time, the value is this, all right? Now, this is the wallet that paid to this particular wallet. So this wallet is from CRYPTEX, the payment wallet, the paying wallet, all right? So I click on this wallet. I want to see the kind of transactions ongoing within that wallet. So I've seen a couple of other wallets coming from CRYPTEX. This is one. Then here is another wallet from CRYPTEX paying to this wallet down here. So this particular one, I click on it. And when I click on that, it gives me some summary, all right? So it's telling me that this address has transacted about, you can see 111,158 times on the Bitcoin blockchain. It has received a total of 4,466,510.44597,193 BTC. This is not, guys, this is not dollars. This is Bitcoin. You can calculate that by using the current price of BTC. So this account from CRYPTEX has transacted this volume of transaction. You can see it. All right. Now, if you check in dollars, this is about 133 billion. You can see that. And then we have 478,002,139 in dollars. Now, those who are thinking that CRYPTEX is just collecting $100 from members and is using that $100 to do something, there are currently 220,000 wallets. So if CRYPTEX is actually collecting $100 and you multiply $100 by 220, all right, that's about $22 billion. $22 billion. But we have here 133 billion. So it means that it is not even the $100 you are thinking about. All right. There is actual transaction ongoing on the blockchain, guys. The transactions are recorded on the block. So this is real. The business of CRYPTEX is to serve as validators. They serve as validators on the Bitcoin network and Ethereum network. Check from the slides. And they receive transaction fees for being validators on this network. This is a unique concept. Those of you who are into blockchain, you might have heard of a proof of stake and a proof of what? Work. Proof of stake means that you should hold some volume of the native token of that blockchain to be able to qualify as a validator on the network to receive transaction fees. So this is actual transactions, my people. It is not fake. All right. Thank you for listening. You can do that on your own. If you receive any transaction from CRYPTEX, you can verify which wallet is paying and where it is coming from. Yeah, so this is just one of many proof for you to know that this is actually a real transaction going on. Thank you. Hello?
Thank you, Dr. Wisdom. I want to stress that this is not the only wallet. There are many wallets, and we want to show you another CRYPTEX Bitcoin wallet with another very, very nice numbers in it.
Yeah.
So all the questions here, they are valid and they are okay, but the proof is in the numbers, and the blockchain isn't lying. And we have here the real blockchain, the Bitcoin blockchain. We have the transactions and we have the real numbers, and it's just mind-blowing. Can you see that?
Ja, ich habe es extra größer gemacht.
Bitcoin balance 26,099. And when you scroll down, then you see what total received and total sent. I mean, these are huge numbers, you know. And this is only one. We have so many wallets. You can check this by yourself when you do a withdraw, commission withdraw, and you check on the blockchain where this money come from, and you check the address. Then you find another CRYPTEX wallet with millions and billions in it.
Das
or transacted.
Das gerade in Arbeit. Das geht gerade raus.
Yeah. This one is just transferring now. So you see, there are many, and this is the proof. This is the proof. And this answers each and any question.
All second. All.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And big transactions every second.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Any more? Dego, we need to
ja, genau.
Talk, let Dego talk now.
So, wo ist er?
Dego.
Er ist weg.
Is Dego still here?
PW.
Okay, Dego is not here anymore. Fred is let's
Fred.
Dego.
Okay.
Fred, yeah.
Da, jetzt ist PW.
Dego.
So.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Fred.
Hello.
Yes.
This is Fred. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Dr. Wisdom, I think you have given us a very good presentation. I think you've done marvelously well. And I think when we keep doing this, many people get to know about it and many people come on board. I was impressed by the number of attendees today. It's a good show. We'll continue with that. But a question my prospect asks is with regards to the tree planting. There's an aspect that they say 1% goes into tree planting. So the question was, have they started planting the trees or they are yet to start planting?
All the information about the tree planting, all this comes with the new CRYPTEX 2.0 platform, which is to be launched soon, but we not have to launch that yet. So all information, more information about this coming soon.
Aber du kannst ihm sagen, ich habe heute einen Baum gepflanzt.
Oh yeah, Super Mario did plant a tree today. Okay, Dego now.
Okay, yeah. Dego.
Please unmute yourself, Dego.
Hello.
Hello, Dego. We can hear
you. He's taking me hell to be unmuted. I don't know what was going on. Anyway, thank you very much, Super Mario. Thank you very much, Mario, and then Dr. Wisdom for the wonderful presentation. I only wanted you to, many people are thinking, if we are paying just $100, how are we able to raise the money? You see, what you need to understand is that your $100 is not what you are investing. You are not investing the $100. Your $100 is just the handling fee. The company is giving you a loan depending on how long you want the contract to stay for you, whether 3 years or 5 years. So your $100 is not what is being invested for you. It is the loan amount that is being invested for you. So I wanted so much for you to look at the other Bitcoin addresses that are doing transactions on the CRYPTEX wallet, and you did perfectly that. That is what I wanted everybody to know. You can see the volumes of money that is going in and out of the CRYPTEX Bitcoin address. That should tell you that there's a lot going on. Okay, so Africa, let's take this project up. Okay, there's a lot of transactions going on in the CRYPTEX wallet and CRYPTEX Bitcoin addresses. You can imagine over $200 billion. Okay, in 3 years or 5 years, a lot of us will be very, very much surprised. This is the time. Okay, this is an investment that is requiring for you to invest a huge amount of money. There's one African leader who was asking that his people are afraid that this company will go away one day. You don't need huge investment to be part of the opportunity. All you need is just $100. Okay, so if you don't want to do 2 contracts or 3 contracts, you can do just 1. And it's $100 that you are required to pay. That is all you pay to be part of the opportunity. Okay, so thank you very much for the great work that you are doing. Africa, let's grab this project and get on board. Let every one of us hear about this project. Thank you very much.
Sag was dazu.
Yeah, nice statement from Dego. Thank you for this. Favored is my name. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself, Favored.
Okay, thank you. I wasn't aware. My name is Favored. I'm from Lesotho.
Lesotho.
And I have a
Wow.
question. Yes,
Yes.
I'm from Lesotho.
Okay.
So my question is here. I paid in the morning and it was around 10 a.m. So my deposit has not yet reflected in my wallet. How long does it take?
Today in the morning, you did a Bitcoin deposit in your wallet?
Yes, I did the Bitcoin deposit in my wallet using altcoin traders. So still zero balance in my wallet.
Okay, then you have to take this to support. Then it will be speeded up. Usually it's very fast. I mean, the blockchain, the Bitcoin blockchain is not the fastest one. We know that. The Bitcoin blockchain is the slowest one from all blockchains. But it should not take several hours. Sometimes it's congested, sometimes it's really overloaded. But if it's not in until this evening, please send an email to support with your CRYPTEX wallet ID, which starts with a big C, like CRYPTEX, and ask support for help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another question.
Sorry, don't worry, we never had any problems with this. Okay, please ask another question.
Okay, another question.
Sorry, come again, please. Unmute yourself, Favored.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
I was saying, I realized that there is a plan which took 2 years. It has been closed because the pool was full already. So
Yes.
my question is, can I know how long will it take for the pool of a 3-year plan to be full?
No. One day we log in and we see only the red circles running. We don't know that. Yeah, there's a certain amount. There's a certain amount available, and if it's full, it's full. But we have no way in seeing this. No.
Okay, thank you. Those were my questions.
Yeah, thank you very much,
Mr. Blackman.
Mr. Blackman.
Thank you.
Yes, yeah. Thank you so much for this wonderful moment. I'm really happy that I've joined together with you on this powerful platform now. Mine is not even a question. Mine is just to encourage all our brothers and sisters, wherever you are in the world and you're on this call, please don't wait for too long. This is a good platform, a very good platform. I've done my analysis and I think it is making a lot of sense. If the company is paying out $140 after with their 100 US dollars activation, where do they get the rest of the money? We just need to be reasonable in our thinking and know that this is a good platform. Every person, wherever you are, please buy 10 or 20 packages ASAP as soon as possible. This is from me because I am committed to this and I really want to do this. By the end of this December, by the month of December this year, I hope to overtake my super upline, Super Mario.
Okay, all the best for
Yes.
this. Yeah.
Yes, I want to be your challenge.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I really love you all. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And
too.
really, please, if we can be able to do this Zoom maybe once a week, it would really be nice.
Yeah, invite people. We want to see
Every
next
week.
time
Every
we want to
week.
see 500 people on the call. Okay, Barry?
No, we will. We will. This is today. Remember last time we were very few. Right now we are already past 100 and something. Next week we will be 500 plus or 1,000.
Okay.
Believe me. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so RM.
RM, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. My name is Rohan. I'm from the United States. I notice most of the people here are from seem to be from Africa. So
Yes.
greetings. So anyway, I know there are a lot of opportunities that are coming up every now and then, and you really can't know how secure any platform is. Even as somebody alluded earlier, even at the banks, you can have money in a big bank and it can go, but the opportunity here seems quite interesting, and there's a huge number of people here who would be interested. The issue that I'm asking though is, I don't know if I came late, but I like things very simplified. Like, give me the 3-step. You get $100. That's not refundable. That's an activation fee.
Yes.
What happens after that? How much money can I make? And when do you make that money? That's as simple as that. Can explain it in 3 points.
Yes, of
You
course,
can get
of
a million
course.
people on board.
You see this in the presentation. You pay a $100 handling fee. You get a staking contract for 5 years. You get $42,000 into your staking account, which earns daily rewards for 5 years. And at the end of this time, you should have $470,000 available.
Okay, so there's no, apart from sign-up bonuses, there's no money to be had after you sign up with $100.
Yes, you can refer, and if you refer, you get a lot of money, because the commission plan, the marketing plan, is best in the world. If you refer, you make very, very quick and big money, because the referral commission is immediately available.
Okay, so in other words, if I paid the 100 and I never referred anyone, I wouldn't get any money for the next 5 years.
Yes, and then 470,000, and you just had $100 paid in a handling fee.
So what is this about the 30,000 loan? Can you explain that a little bit?
Yeah, it's a bank loan. It's a bank loan insured by an insurance company, and the $42,000 go into DeFi staking and earn daily rewards, daily compounded for 5 years.
Okay, so you'll never have access to that loan. That loan goes into your investment then.
The loan goes into your staking staking contract, and you have no access to this, but you have access at the end of your 7 years. There is no money during the 5 years, 7 years, or 3 years. We have 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. There's no access before expiry date, but you can feel free to invite people, but you not have to. You can invite people and make good money.
Okay, I understand. All right, so all right, that I understand. So basically, you give up the 100 and you wait for 5 years, and
3
you'll
years,
get
3 years, 5 or 7 years.
3
We have
years.
3 durations.
Right.
Yeah.
Then you'll get but while you're signing up people, there's and having downloads, it's like a regular MLN after that. Okay, I understand what you're saying.
Yes.
It's not.
Okay. Please request the marketing plan from your upline.
Genau. Okay, mein Name noch Katie.
Kathy, please unmute yourself. Kathy, please unmute yourself. Okay, then Antoinette.
I'm not sure if she's available.
Antoinette? Antoinette, yes.
Oh,
yes.
Yes, I just want to say something. Whoever started this community and this project with Bitcoin, it's huge, because Bitcoin, we have it next year, March of 2024, and it's going to be huge. So you see the amount of Bitcoin that he just showed in the wallet just now, it's going to be more in there. It's going to be huge, because we having the 2024 Bitcoin halving in March.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is a great loan that they use with the Bitcoin. This is great. It's my first time on, and I'm loving everything that I have seen so far.
Okay, great. Good to know. Good to hear. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Is there another question from you? No, that's all. That's it. Okay. So I think we are almost ready to wrap it up. Or is there anything more? Let me see.
No more. Here, what's this?
Can I be able to know how many people are in this we had already? No, we don't know how many people are in the plants and in the pools, and we don't know when they close.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Let's wrap it up here. I think we do the same thing again next week, same time, same place. Invite your people, and hopefully we see more than 150 people next week. So next week, 2 p.m. Ghana time, 4 p.m. German time. See you all again. Have a nice day, evening, morning, wherever you are. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.